welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. So I am back with another Coach haul for you guys. I know you guys love my Coach hauls so much, so I am back with part 3. So this Coach haul is going to be a shoe haul. So let's open the shoes together. I have not seen them yet, so let's open the shoes together and let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so we are going to start out with the first box. So like I said before, Coach definitely gives you the cute little packaging. The packaging is definitely on point. So let's get into the first box. So this style right here is going to be the Citysole Sue Runner in the color Orchid and Bluebell. So this is a sneaker, you guys. So let's get right into it. All right, size 10 in full effect, size 10. All right, guys, so, looking at the shoe off top, okay, the colors is kind of popping. We got the blue, we got the raspberry pink, we got the pastel pink, we got some different things happening on the base of the shoe. So it's different. I don't know if I'm feeling it so much, but you know, it is about to be fall season. It's going to be pretty, you know, the weather is going to be changing a little bit. So maybe I could rock these. Maybe I could rock these. So let's get into the rest of the shoe. So the shoe is going to be a suede and a mesh-like material. You see they have the, I'm going to call this like the confetti shoelace because they're pink with little blue sparkles on the shoelace. They also have this little area right here that actually says Coach. I want to say this material, I don't know, some kind of something. I don't know if it's plastic or what, but I do like how it has this, it says Coach right here. That's cute. To let everybody know what you rocking exactly. But the shoe, because I wear a size 10, she is looking a little long. That's the only downside about having a size 10 foot. Some shoes just really look like it would be cute if they were like a size 7 or 8. But that was in high school. I used to scrunch my toes in them little tiny shoes. Not no more. So okay, so let's get into the back. I really do like the way this is kind of different right here. If you guys look closely, that's a different type of bottom for a shoe. So I don't know if it's rainy outside, that could cause to be a little bit slippery, but that's different, you guys. I haven't really seen this type of traction before on a shoe. It's really smooth right here, so I don't know if that's going to give me any grip at all if I'm walking outside. So this shoe right here, I'm gonna say it's about a 6 or a 5. This video was not sponsored, so I could be totally honest. I'm gonna say she about a 6, about a 5 or 6. I don't know if I'm really feeling this shoe. You guys let me know down below, okay? What y'all think about this shoe so far? So this one, like I said, is called the Citysole Runner in a size 10 in the Orchid and Blue. I don't know, you guys. I'm not really feeling this shoe so much, but like I said, I'm here to give you guys the goods, and here it is. All right, moving on to the next shoe. Moving on to the next shoe. All right, guys, so the packaging on this shoe is quite dusty. As you guys can see, the box arrived quite dusty. I don't know what's going on, Coach. I paid some good money for this shoe. Why is it dusty? Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the rest of the haul. All right, guys. So this shoe is called Citysole Sig Mesh Runner in the color Hyacinth and BH1. BH1, okay. BH1. All right, guys. So all right, this shoe is talking to me a little bit more, but still looking a little on the long side. So this shoe right here is giving me some neutral and also that raspberry pink. I do like this shoe better than the first one, but I still don't know if I'm all the way feeling it. But I do like how it has the little C's all around the shoe for the Coach. I think this shoe is cute, but I'm also thinking that it's still giving that, I think it's still a little bit too long. But maybe once I wear it with my outfit, maybe it'll all come together. So this shoe right here, it also has some cute little confetti shoelace. It also has the Coach tag right here. Let me come closer. All right. So this is cute. It has the Coach tag on the tongue. Coach in there. So this shoe is also going to be suede and mesh. So you're not going to really want to wear this shoe depending on the weather. So you're going to have to be careful. You don't want the shoe to get stained or anything like that. It also has that same traction on the shoe, but I guess it makes sense because I believe it's the same shoe as the other one, just a different color. So it also has that same traction in the back of the shoe, which I think is cute, but I don't know how it's going to hold up, you know, on those rainy days. But you guys, you know what? I do like this shoe better than the first shoe. So I will go ahead and give this shoe an 8 out of 10. 7, 8 out of 10. You guys let me know how you're voting down below for shoe number 2. All right, you guys, because that is most important. It's cool to have a cute shoe, but you do want to make sure that she's comfortable, okay? Comfort over beauty any day. All right, so let me show you the full look of the shoe. But I do like this color. If I must be honest, I definitely do like this color combination better than the first shoe, even though they're still both long. That's the only thing about having a size 9.5, size 10. Sometimes shoes just be looking hella long. So what are y'all thinking so far? We got shoe number 1, we got shoe number 2, and I have one more to show you guys. All right, shoe number 3. All right, guys, so this is called the Udale Sig Rub Slide. And the color of this shoe is going to be in the Orchard. That's what it says. Orchard. Size 10 as well. Okay. So I'm feeling this shoe off top. So it has like the floral base going all around the bottom of the shoe, and then it has this raspberry pink, but it's also kind of translucent with all the little Coach symbols. I think this shoe is pretty cute. So this is going to be your slide that you just push on and go, run out the door. This shoe looks comfortable, but like I said, we're going to try her on. Here's the bottom of the shoe. You also have your horse and carriage right here, along with the Coach design also following on the back side. You got my size right here, size 10. More Coach here at the bottom. Okay, so I could probably get some good use out of these shoes right here, you guys. I am always looking for a shoe to just throw on and go. You know what? I'm not even playing with y'all because I have to run out the door all the time. So to have a shoe that you could just put on your feet and go out the door and it's stylish, it's a win-win, okay? So like I said, these are the third pair. I'm going to go ahead and rate this shoe at 8 to 9 out of 10. So that's how I'm voting. I want you guys to take this time right now and vote for your least favorite or your favorite. Just let me know what shoe you're feeling and whatnot like that. So this comes to the conclusion of this video. Fast, simple, and sweet. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this very quick Coach haul. I'm going to catch you guys next Wednesday for Wear It Well Wednesday. And I'll see you guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. On the road to 1K. Like I said, we're almost there. You guys, I need your help though. Hit those thumbs up, comment, and message me below. I definitely talk back. And I'm going to see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.